similar. Oh, no, no, no. And I never ever felt this way. So now they're asking you why. There's a reason I'm falling hard. Could it be your eyes? Could it be your thoughts? Girl, I believe in you and I never thought that I'd fall so hard. Could it be that I've been living in denial? Girl, I just don't know. I just don't know why, but it feels like I'm falling in love. Oh, I just don't know why, but I really don't care. Girl, I really don't know. I really don't know why, but it feels like I'm falling in love.
So I got two of them. One of them's powering like the left 4/8 subs, and the other one's powering the right 4/8.
Cool, cool. Do you what do you have them wired at?
They are wired at 1 ohm straps, but each amp is seeing half ohm.
What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.